How to track your Amazon order in app. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, you have to head over to your application Amazon or move into any of the official website. Once you're inside the website, enter your login credentials and log in into your specific account. Once you are logged in, it will land you on this page. Now click on your profile at the top right corner of the screen. Different settings will be available to you. Inside your orders, you have to click on Track and Manage your orders. So in this page, if you have ordered something, then the items will be available to you in this page. You will also be able to track the orders that you have ordered. Right now, none of the order is available because I haven't ordered any of the items here. But if you have ordered something, then you will be able to track it in here, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.